Huh? Oh, water has come up. Yeah. It's to Washington from the beach. Video.
Look at that. The waves are being tousled.
What's up with you and Tasso?
I don't know. But this ain't not straight.
Yeah. Alright, you're fixing to be looking south on Oliver Street. Down toward the water. Zoom in, Thomas.
Car coming to the house.
We'll come back here.
Yeah, that thing got ate up.
Stick is gone.
We don't need this.
Yeah, baby.
Hell yeah.
Oh, Thomas, you are the man. Damn, this is like Super 8.
Oh, come on.
Cloverfield. What are those rose bushes? Oh man.
How'd you like to be looking at that coming up in your yard? But I must admit, that little tiny rock wall they built is what's holding that at bay.
The rock wall's not down here, is it?
Sure it is.
No, this is the grass. This is the grass force field.
That little force field, the little grass orbs down there are just, they're particulating. And that end, I will push you back.
Oh, is it got race to the barricade?
We're just waiting for it to open.
This ain't no drawbridge.
It's like a theme park.
We're just sitting here waiting for the gates to open.
Look, Thomas, did you get down toward the
The floodgates.
Oh god, look at pocket 1 and pocket 2.
He's going seafood. He's just waiting for gum.
This man's smoking a Donkey Kong over here.
That's right, we videoing. But it's all good. But they still will get shot. We just might call them friendly FBs. We'll call them FBs. Looter alert. Let's see. We got
Facebook looters.
Let's see here. Here we are at Crowley's Custom Guitars. We're rolling up in. Gonna do a quick survey.
Assess the situation.
Assess the mess. Front door secured. Side doors secured. Everything's looking good.
It's from there for later.
Still?
Look, we just outrun the leaf blowing down the road from the hurricane force winds. Dodge trucks really are awesomely powerful.
It sounds like it appears to be operating.
Okay, assessments. Everybody, all eyes to the New York pizza.
Pizza ho!
Okay.
The front foliage is getting tousled.
You're making up words. That's on film.
Oh.
That's not. I'm not making up
Oh,
words.
we looking good.
There's siding fell off in the front.
That's siding.
But
That's
it's
like
all
a
up.
pizza topping. It's all good. You can still eat the pizza without topping.
I'm just saying, you losing some siding. Oh,
Okay.
the gate busted open.
Little back gate busted open. Somebody was trying to get in there to eat him a pizza. Whoa. Vicious bump. Okay, so our mission is complete. Hold on, we're gonna
See?
get the front side of the siding.
There it is.
Huh?
There it is. In the yard.
Hey Joe, pick my towel up in the back.
What? Oh.
Just in this one side right here.
Well, where did
Okay.
it come from?
That's
I don't
good.
know.
It might have blown. I didn't see what it was missing. All right, so Isaac 3, we're heading back to the heart of the beast, baby. Time to man up, cowboy up. Signing off.
Roll Tide!